That looked like it was not nice.
No.
Wow, we're not in the Braille house, and we have Fetty Potter.
Wow.
We don't even care, because he's like, finally, you guys are going street skateboarding.
I phoned the whole car ride. I have no clue where we are. Oh, it's like we're in a different time and place.
I get really anxious every time we're not in the Braille house.
We're getting gas. Braille goes street skating. Braille meaning Fetty and I.
Yeah.
And Gabe.
There's pigeons everywhere. You know, pigeons are like one of my favorite birds.
Really?
Yeah. They're so underrated, but they're awesome. Trying to walk up and steal your food. They don't.
like,
They got the Kobe mentality. They don't budge when you walk by them. Smart water.
Smart. Aaron, what is your opinion on pigeons?
They're thugs.
You agree?
Yeah. They just take your food, and they don't even care.
And they're way smarter than people think. They used to send messages.
It's true.
They used to strap messages on pigeons and they'd fly and come back with messages.
Sir, I need your opinion. No, come back, please. Please. He's leaving us.
Look at how good it is. Even the dumpster got removed.
Pigeon watch. No pigeons at this spot yet.
That's unfortunate.
Oh no. Oh no, Fetty, please tell me it ain't so they kept my favorite manual pad spot. We'll never be able to skate here again. First strike! Hey, Fetty, I missed it. Do it again. Tying my shoes tighter, and I was like, nah, it'll be fine. I was skating here, and I was skating here for like hours and hours and hours, and I was beyond tired, right? And then I go up right here, I do a manual trick, and then I go right here, and I tray flip off the curb, and then break my foot in 2 places right there. History, people, in the making.
There he is. He's back.
You gotta wax it kind of like deeper, you see? Fetty, full-length video part, leave it in the comments below. You guys want that?
Heck yeah, for the pigeons. Thank you.
We didn't let Gabe skate much. You can let him skate for about 5 seconds. Video part, coming soon, Fetty Potter. You know, like when they just say like, yeah, the video's coming soon. And it'll be coming soon for 7 years.
Like next year.
Okay, so that was pretty fun. Sometimes, you know, you gotta just get out of the Braille house and just go filming with your friends.
I'm having a
in the
nervous
street.
breakdown.
Oh my gosh, Becky, look at that bank. Should I hit it with the Prius? Please don't tell my wife we're doing this.
It's not a good idea.
No.
I'm just kidding. That is truly not a good idea. I just like opened the back and I was like, oh no, I forgot my board. And I realized I didn't.
We did forget something at the last spot.
The wax?
Yeah.
Oh no.
No. He manuals everywhere! Everywhere he goes!
never skated that fast in my life.
Let's call this spot the most annoying noise in the world. It's like the alarm's going off. We literally came here just to get kicked out. If security isn't gonna do their job, we're gonna just skate it.
Yeah.
Watch yourself. Security is seriously slacking today. Last time we came here, we pulled up, got out, pushed, boom, kicked out that fast. Like, come on guys, what are you thinking?
Do your job.
Probably stop saying that, then we'll start trying to get real tricks and we'll just be getting kicked out left, right, and center.
I know.
Hot, sunburn. Spot number 2 is sort of a rando spot that we just saw on the side of the road and we just went. And now we're off to spot number 3, which we've never been to, and we're not sure if it's actually going to exist or not.
Hopefully we get kicked out.
I'm pretty sure that this spot is in a maximum security prison. In the inside. Fetty, this is the spot of you. Should I plug in my hybrid electric car? Okay, I've seen some really good spots before in my day, but this is like paradise. I'm just like waiting to be sniped.
There's even like a nice little grass path for us.
How do you do anything? How do you do anything?
Is this fake grass?
He just thinks this is like a jump circuit.
Movie scenario, you see Aaron skating over here with like an army of security following behind him.
I gotta send a picture of this to Jason Park before we leave. I gotta do at least a manual here. Like, manual at every spot.
So high five for you guys. 10 guys last week here.
10 guys?
Yes.
Wow, yeah, it looks
Doing
pretty
the
chewed
same
up.
thing.
There's an app where people put the skate spots, and they
Okay.
put this on there, and we thought, wow, what a spot. It's all good though.
Looks good, but if not, it is a private property. All right.
Okay, see you next time.
All right.
Or probably never again, right?
Thank you, sir.
Took the scenic route.
Wow, that was exhilarating.
10 guys were here last weekend.
There were 10 guys here this weekend. I was like, we can beat that.
We got a posse bigger than those 10 guys.
Braille party at this place.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow, monster flip. Oh no. This close.
Aaron is using my phone for navigation, so I have nothing to do.
He's in a blunt to fakie on your middle drink holder.
Don't tell me what to do. Oh, sorry. Go ahead. Go ahead. We're just lost. You know what, Gabe? I think you're right. This is the worst spot ever.
Spot 4?
Spot 4 here in San Jose. I thought I had never been to this, and I was like, Fetty, just pick a spot and take us there. He picks us bank to ledge, and then we pull up and we realize we've been here, and it's the worst spot ever. But you know what? We're here with Fetty, who can skate anything and everything, so you never know.
It's a black squirrel.
Dude, those are rare, aren't they?
I've never seen a black squirrel.
Bank to ledge, we found it, it's sick!
I could hit that.
Something here.
You truly do skate everything.
No, Fetty, no! Are you kidding me? You try to board slide that. Video part coming soon. He almost tripped and face planted into that cement.
We need a lot of wax. Maybe not that much wax.
Yeah, that is the best smell in the world right
Wow,
there.
that smells wonderful.
Oh my God, Fetty. What did you do in our 5 seconds of absence? Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Ah, yes. Oh, that's the sun. In and out is mine. Yes. All right, let's see it. See these sweat stains? Hard work. Look at my butt.
Wow,
Dude.
look at that thing. It is like sanded. Here we are in the wilds of San Jose, California. Let's get some animal style fries for that. Every time we're not filming him, he falls like so hard and it's so funny. Not funny that he falls hard, but funny the way he falls. Like his back is just covered in dirt. Now we will go to In-N-Out Burger. Let's lick the blood off. Put it on your fries.
4 spots in, 1 fast food place later. We've only seen 3 pigeons. Wow, Aaron.
Nailed it.
Covers my sweat stain.
Yeah.
Yes.
I hereby declare this as a challenge. Eat 1 fry at a time challenge.
Hashtag 1 fry challenge. Leave it in the comments below. Submit your videos now. We'll get a set of fries.
Oh, hang on. Close the doors. Close the door. If you open these fast enough, you can open that one.
No! What magic is this? So we go to the table and there's this guy, probably ate his food kind of like this. Because there was just everything everywhere, right? He looks at us and he goes, well, I'd love to clean that up, but I'm not going to.
Then he walked out.
Then he walks out. We're like, yeah, no worries. We got this. We're official In-N-Out employees.
Fork is up this wind.
That I was like, we have to just go to a spot that we know that we can at least skate. Just have some fun, do a couple tricks. Earlier, the sky was completely blue, not even a single cloud. And now,
this is not a different day.
no, it's not, it's the same day, and it looks like we're gonna get rained upon. So let's get a couple tricks. Just an ollie! train, first try.
He's trying to break it.
Oh no, Betty. No skating here? Dang.
Still up to me, I wouldn't care, but you know, lawsuits and my job and all that good stuff.
Yeah, it's all good. You want to
That's why I have really, if you go to appliance department, the Best Buy skate, they're perfect.
You want to end out the video for us? Tell him. Say, no skating here.
No skating here.
Please subscribe.
Over there is good, but please subscribe to
Braille Skateboarding.
Real Skateboarding.
Like and leave a comment below.
Like and leave a comment below.
Boom! Nailed it. Thanks, guys. Click on this playlist right here for all the videos in this series. Click here to get skateboarding made simple. It's the most comprehensive lesson plan ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. You won't be disappointed.